Lucky I had a friend so big, an elephant who danced a jig, with a trumpet and a swish of his tail. He made the happiest sound without fail. They'd march around with a joyful beat, Ella and her friend, what a lovely treat. Through the fields and past the trees, they danced along with the softest breeze. The elephant trumpeted a happy tune beneath the bright and cheerful moon. Ella clapped her hands and sang along in the heart of the night where they both belong. When the stars began to twinkle high, Ella and her friend would say goodbye. With a gentle hum and a soft goodnight, they dream of adventures till the morning light. They'd march around with a joyful beat, Ella and her friend, what a lovely treat. Through the fields and past the trees, they danced along with the softest breeze. They'd march around with a joyful beat, Ella and her friend, what a lovely treat. Through the fields and past the trees, they danced along with the softest breeze. The elephant trumpeted a happy tune beneath the bright and cheerful moon. Ella clapped her hands and sang along in the heart of the night where they both belong. When the stars began to twinkle high, Ella and her friend would say goodbye. With a gentle hug and a soft goodnight, they dream of adventures till the morning light.
Subscribe to my channel.